Back students to the 10th session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn, code and execute Java problems together. So our problem of the day is to remove duplicates from an array. And how are we going to use that? How are we going to create that logic? By using hash set. I'll tell you. Students, what is a hash set? Hash set is backed by hash maps. And what is hash maps? Hash map is a data structure that stores the data in terms of key value pairs. And what is a key? It is a unique element in an hash map. So hash set uses that concept of key, that it is very unique. It will convert our array into unique characters and it will automatically remove the duplicates while the hash set is created. And how are we going to use that? How are we going to create that logic? We'll see now. So for that, first we have to import Java utility package hash set. Let us create a public class. Let us name our public class as remove duplicates. Let us create entry point of our class, static void main string args. Now let us create an array. For specifics, an integer array. And let us create 2, 4, 5, again 2, again 6, again 7, again 2, 8 and again 2. How many times are 2 appearing? 4 times. Means we have to remove the 3 times 2 are appearing. For that we will create a hash set. Hash set will take integers into an hash set name. Let us name it as set only. And we have to create new hash set for our variable set. Now simply we will be following an for loop for each of the numbers as an iterations. For that we'll be using integer num for the length of array, not the length of array, sorry, for the elements of array. And simply we'll be set dot add number. Here set already is an hash set, so while adding the number it will check if the number is in the hash set or not. If the number is in the hash set, it will not add the number again. It will remove the duplicates. And then we just have to print our hash set system.out.println set. Let us run our code, students. Minute error, students, and our array is array 1. Again minute error, students. See, the number 2, all the duplicates of number 2 has been removed. If we change our array and take 2, 4, 2, 5, again 4, 6, 3, again 3, 7, 8, 10. Let us see. It is removing 2's, it is removing the duplicates of 3, it is removing the duplicates of 4. Okay students, this is a very simple logic but a very important logic to use, how to use hash sets and hash maps. So students, keep practicing, keep learning. Signing off.